Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Mazda 3 dashboard. First, you'll need to identify the specific problem, whether it's a crack, a loose component, or an electrical issue. Next, gather your tools like screwdrivers, trim removal tools, and any specific repair kits. Always remember to disconnect your car's battery before starting any work to ensure your safety and prevent electrical shorts. Once you've prepared, begin by carefully inspecting the dashboard for any visible damage such as cracks, warping, or fading. Then, gently check all electrical connections behind the dashboard for any looseness or corrosion that might be causing intermittent issues. Finally, turn on your car's ignition to test all dashboard lights, gauges, and the infotainment system to pinpoint any non-functional components. For minor cracks, a specialized plastic repair kit can effectively restore the dashboard's appearance. If panels are loose, use new clips or screws to resecure them firmly, ensuring a snug fit. For electrical problems, replacing faulty bulbs in the instrument cluster or a damaged display screen can often resolve the issue. Always use parts designed for your Mazda 3 for the best results. For more complex issues, especially those involving intricate wiring or internal computer systems, it's often best to consult a professional automotive technician. Regular cleaning with a soft, damp cloth and avoiding harsh chemicals will help maintain your dashboard's condition and prevent future damage. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This proactive approach ensures your Mazda 3 dashboard remains in top shape for years to come, enhancing your driving experience and vehicle value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.